If you're seeing an itchio error 400, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that can help you get back on the site fast. This kind of error is often caused by a temporary server issue, cached browser data, or a network problem on your end. So we'll check the server status first, then clear your browser cache and cookies, and finally refresh your network settings if needed. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, check whether itchio is actually having a server problem. Open your browser and search for "Is itchio down?" Look through the results and check a site like Downdetector to see if other users are reporting problems too. If there's a spike in reports, then the issue may be on itchio's side, and in that case, the best thing to do is wait a bit and try again later. If the site is working for others, then the problem is more likely on your device or network. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted site data can sometimes cause error 500 messages or prevent pages from loading correctly. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This will open your browser's clear browsing data window. Make sure you select cached images and files, cookies, and other site data, and set the time range to all time so everything related to the issue gets removed. Then click the Clear Data button and wait for the process to finish. After that, close and reopen your browser, then try visiting itchio again. If you're still getting the error, the next step is to restart your network. Sometimes your internet connection can hold on to bad DNS data, which can stop certain websites from loading properly even if everything looks fine. On Windows, open the command prompt by typing CMD in the Start menu and pressing Enter. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a confirmation that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, restart your computer and power cycle your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Once your internet comes back online, try loading itchio again. At this point, one of these steps usually solves the issue. If the site is down, waiting is the best option. If it was just browser data, clearing the cache and cookies should fix it. And if it was a network-related problem, flushing DNS and restarting your router can make a big difference. The key is to work through the steps one by one so you don't waste time guessing. If this video helped you fix the itchio error 500, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.